friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I have dark red lips and big hair today. Let's open up a short story. I just got home from work. It's a Tuesday as I'm filming this. I'm hungry. Let's open her up. We're gonna open her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. And she's really heavy. It's a really heavy box this time, so I don't know what's in it. Short story, sorry, I'm trying to think, it's been a long day. Short story, if you haven't tried it before, it's a $25 styling fee, goes towards what you keep from the box. There's a referral link down below. If you want to try short story for the first time, you get, I think you get a discount or you get something. Maybe your styling fee waived, I can't remember. It's down below. They send you back the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. And yeah, wait, is there a note? Sorry. Welcome to chapter 8 of your short story. So this must be my 8th box. I think I didn't film one of them. And I think I decided to do short story every other month. So with spring right around the corner, I wanted to ensure this box had fun spring pieces and colors to help you kick off the season. I promise no navy will be put in here. Thanks. I know you love a good pair of skinny jeans, and I had to send you these classic blue jeans to try. Do you like this color of blue on them? For a casual day around town, add a pop of color to these jeans with the coral colored top and complete the outfit with sneakers. Do you like the casual style of this sweater? The Lena jumpsuit will quickly become a go-to piece in your closet. Layer on a blazer and heels for work, or dress it down with a denim jacket and sandals for a weekend adventure. Do you need a denim jacket or blazer? Are you open to shorts in your next couple of boxes? Not yet. I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Happy styling, Paige. So cool. That's a nice little note. Got petite friend? Share the love and hand this card to your BFF. They'll get their first styling fee waived. So, yep, my referral link's down below if you want to try that out. And it's a big, oh, it's a couple bundles. Okay, let's see. How am I gonna hold this for the thumbnail? I'm trying to show it all. There's 3 tops in this bundle. Let's see. There's the pretty colors, pretty spring colors. And then, oh my gosh. Here's the other bundle. Whew. There we go. So some sweaters and some jeans and pants. It looks like jumpsuit. She mentioned a jumpsuit. So yay! Okay, let's look at them. By the way, you may have noticed some darkness over here. My husband got all the doors painted for up here. Well, almost all of them. There's a sliding door over there. Still gotta get painted. And they're all up. Look. Ah! So yeah, we decided to go with dark doors. Trying something different. Let's open this up. Here we go. I'm gonna try to be quick because as I've mentioned before, I'm hungry. Ooh, she's cute, a little dress. Oh. I'll go over the names at the end because like not like with Stitch Fix, it's not like a separate tag on there with the names and stuff. But look at this cute little dress. That's cute. It has like stitching at the bodice, like at the boobs. That is cute. I was just saying today, 2 of my coworkers wore dresses to work, and I'm like, I want to wear a dress to work. And we have, oh, okay, this is by Democracy. She's different. It's more like a boho-y kind of shirt. Some ruched sleeves on there. Oh, and there's like crochet on the back. Crochet? Is that the word? It's embroidery. Because look at that embroidery on there. It's very detailed. It's by Democracy. It's probably expensive. And we have a, oh, just like a coral sweatshirt. Is this the coral she was talking about? But she's nice. I've really been into sweatshirts lately. I don't know. I just went to H&M for the first time in like probably 10 years, and I got a sweatshirt from there that was cropped. It was like $17.99 or something. Is this the This is the jumpsuit. She's cute. Petite assembly. She's got a tie on the, I was gonna say on the corner, at the waist. Kind of like wider leg. I do like this. I like to wear jumpsuits to work too, as long as they're not too like booby, you know. I kept this from my Stitch Fix. That's cute. Okay. In case you're wondering, this is what I kept from that possible 5 out of 5. Yeah. And we have some work pants, it looks like. They're pull-on by Ruby Road Petite. Those look nice. I always love a good pull-on, especially if they have any stretch. And some skinny jeans by 1822. It's their butter denim. They do feel like butter. They're very soft. No starchiness at all. 1822. I know you can sometimes get like 1822 stuff at like Marshall's and TJ Maxx. I haven't seen any lately though. And I go there a lot. And last but not least, we have a sweater. I have been really liking like creams and beiges lately too. This one's very fuzzy. I don't know if you can see the texture, but that's cute too. All right, everything's like got potential. Let's try it all on. Here's the door. Look at it. Does it look weird? Does my hair disappear when I stand in front of the door? I don't know. Here's the sweater. It is so soft and it is so cozy, and it is March as I film this, and like I just feel like I'm not gonna get enough wear out of it. I know it's still cold, but we've had some really nice warm days lately. So I don't know, I just feel like I'm not gonna get enough wear out of it before the cold season ends, but it's very soft. I like it. It's nice. The jeans are very soft and stretchy. Like, look at that. They're 1822, butter denim. They might be a little too big just because they are so stretchy. I'm afraid they're just gonna stretch out more. But I'll show you the length because they're skinny. Stay. Yeah, so they're good. They're just a nice pair of non-distressed skinny jeans, which I don't have a lot of non-distressed dark jeans. I like this color of the jean. It's very nice. Everything's nice so far. I mean, I know it's only two things, but everything's nice so far. Let's do more. Here's the coral top, or what? How did I say before? Kohler? It has thumb holes. My thumb's just like, they're like naturally just like popped in there. Look at that stitching on there too. That's kind of cool. Like it's not just like a gaping hole. It has this here. I'm not a huge thumb hole person, but when you don't have your thumb through it, look. That's neat, so that it doesn't have a gaping hole in it. How many times can I say gaping hole? I really like this. I think it's cute. Nice casual for the weekend. I know I just said that sweater was too warm, but this one's not. This is more like athleisure-y, I feel like. That's what you do, right? When you're athleisuring. I really like the color on this one. So this one could, we'll see how much it is, but I think this one's cute. Nice cash weekend. Okay, let's do more. Here's a jumpsuit. It feels really nice. Like it feels like a really nice kind of silky, slippery material. I like the way it bunches. I don't think it accentuates, you know, my stomach or anything too much. It's got a tie. Doesn't really do anything. But I feel like I'm yelling. But it doesn't have any like snaps or anything like this. Like if I were to wear it to work, I would want it to be like up here. Because I'm not big on, and I think it's because when I was, you know, middle school, high school, we wore camis under everything and we would layer them, and I just don't think I'm into that anymore. I do still wear camis under things, but not that they're showing. But it's nice. It's a really nice length too, because short story. Hey now, short story is for us, you know, 5'4" and below ladies. So it's great length. I think it feels really nice. I just don't think I need it right now, and with that being so open too, I don't need it. Also, usually like with my jumpsuits, I like a pattern on them. And this one's just a solid color. So, all right, let's do more. Okay, she's a little wrinkly, but so am I. So, no judgments on the wrinkles. I'm surprised at how much I like this. I think it's a really pretty soft, kind of pinky coral color. I like that there's material here, so the buttons, if they separate, they have that there. And just the embroidery on it is really pretty. It's pretty. It's got some ruching at the sleeves. It's got the embroidery on the back too. I think the length is really nice. These are the pants. They're just like a basic work pant, I would say. But they do have pockets in the back. No pockets in the front, which is a bummer. I don't know, I like front pockets. But they're a nice length too. They're more of like a, not like a capri length, but definitely shorter, cropped, I would say. Which I like. They feel nice. They feel like they like suck you in. You know, let's stay not in front of the black door. But yeah, this was like a typical work kind of outfit, I would say. And I think it's nice. And the material feels really soft. I think it's nice. We're gonna tuck it in. Some of you don't like that, you know, I tuck in my clothes, but I don't mind my stomach. Yeah, I think that's really cute and blousy. It's cute. Okay, let's try on the dress. Look at this cute little dress. The sleeves are so cute. They have like a cuff there. Little movement. They're so cute. Okay, the only thing though, not the only thing, but so it has these lines right here for the bust. And I don't know if there's, I don't know. I'm just like grabbing my boobs. I don't know if they're supposed to be like below your boobs, you know? You can't really, well, up close you can. Or if the seam is supposed to go like right across. But regardless, I'm probably not gonna keep it because it doesn't have any pockets. And I like pockets. So, but it is really cute. It's a nice length, let me show you. Let me show you the length because it's a short story and you know, you guys should look at the lengths of things. So just like a few inches above the knee. I think it's cute. It reminds me of like old school, I don't know, like 40s, 50s kind of like dress. Anyway, okay, let's go over prices. Prices. Here we go. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Here we go. The Troy top by Recreation. That was the coral one that's like more athleisure. $52 for that. The 1822 denim, $49. The Democracy Rose Dust half placket knit to woven petite top. They do have pictures and descriptions of everything in here too. So yeah, that last top with the black pants, $68. There was really nice embroidery on it, so I can see why it's more expensive. The Verdanta striped pullover sweater in the ivory lilac taupe. I guess there is lilac in it. $64. The Solar ankle pant by Ruby Road, the black pants, $40. The Lena Surplice jumpsuit, $64. That's by Petite Assembly. And the Dottie puff sleeve dress by Petite Assembly, $58. So the whole box doesn't give you the whole box price. After the $25 styling credit, the whole box is $370. There's no discount with this box if you keep 5 or more things or anything like that, which is kind of interesting. Oh gosh, you guys, I do like that Troy top, which is the coral one. The athleisure, since I've been wearing, like on weekends when I go out shopping or like I go somewhere, I'm wearing a sweatshirt and jeans right now. And I like that one. And it's a bright color. I don't have one that color. It's $52 minus my $25 styling fee. It's another $27 I would spend on that. So yeah, I think that's probably what I'm gonna keep because everything else I didn't love, like the black pants, they did feel nice. And that would be another $15 to keep those, but I think I'd get a lot of wear out of the coral. I would get a lot of wear out of work pants too though, but it doesn't spark joy. I can get black pants anywhere. You can't always get a coral top somewhere unless you're in like 2010 and you know, that was the thing. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go make dinner now. While I make dinner, I am having my girl dinner before my real dinner of Dot's pretzels with French onion dip and a little bit of cheese. Sometimes a Bloody Mary. That's girl dinner. Girl dinner! Tell me what your favorite girl dinner is down below. And if you watched all the way to the end, comment a cheese emoji for girl dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.